Welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, my name is Akaya. I am about to make me some salmon fried rice. I will be using carrots, zucchini, egg that I already made, some onions. I'm going to be using salmon, canned salmon, but you can use regular salmon. It's all up to you. You can use, I'm also going to be using some canola oil, or you can also use sesame oil if you have that. Soy sauce, yum yum sauce after it's done, and this rice. And what I did was I cooked the rice the day before. It's always best if you cook day before rice, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get everything in the skillet, get everything cooked up, and I'll come back. Guys, what I did was I peeled the zucchini. I like to always peel the zucchini. Just wanted to tell you that. You cut it up however you would like to cut it up, okay? Now I'm about to cut up a little bit of onion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these a little bit before I put them inside of the rice, okay? Okay guys, now I'm about to use the egg. I made this fried egg yesterday. I'm about to just cut it up. I'll just cut it with some scissors, real small, real small. You can also use scrambled eggs if you want to. You don't gotta use fried eggs, but this is what I had, so I figured why not use it. Okay guys, now I'm about to use the salmon. I'm about to rinse all this juice out, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Just go ahead and get the bone out. Here's all the salmon. You just open it up and get all of the bones out. You see all them bones? You just pull the bones out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this on a plate. And like I said, if you want, you can also use the regular salmon too. It don't have to be canned. Okay, here we go. And if you don't like salmon, but this video is for salmon fried rice, you just add chicken to it. Chicken, shrimp, whatever you like. This is gonna be the bomb. I'm just tired of buying salmon fried rice and it's never to my liking. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my own. Okay guys, here is the rice I'll be using. I am using my hands, so don't come for me. I'm using my hands, just taking the rice out of the pot. Again, this is day-old rice. You always want to make sure it's a couple days old because that makes it stick better and everything. So there we go. We got the rice. And you just cook the rice to your liking. And again, there we go. What I'm about to do is I'm about to just put the eggs and stuff in the microwave for just a little bit, and the zucchini and the carrots just to get it warmed up because I'm very anal. I like my vegetables to be a certain way, and then once it's warm, then I'm going to put some grease inside of the skillet before I put the rice, and then I'll cook that a little bit, and then I'll put the rice, and then I'll put the salmon, okay? Because it does play a part of how you get these cooked up, because I like onions, but I don't like onions, so I did not add a whole lot. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna put these in put those what I just told you in the microwave, and then we'll get to making this fried rice. Got green onions, that will be good too. To do guys is I like to pick up as I go. Make sure you are cleaning up everything as you go so you don't have a bunch of stuff to clean up afterwards. Okay, so while you're waiting on that food to get warm, go ahead and clean up. I'm about to actually cut this carrots up a little bit, and then like I told you, I'm about to put some grease inside of my skillet. I'm about to put those veggies inside there. I'm gonna get them all cooked up, and then I'll add the rest of the stuff. Cooking real salmon, you know, you just get your recipe from however you usually cook your salmon. Okay, my carrots. Okay, what I'm about to do now is I'm about to add the oil to the skillet. Go ahead and get your skillet on. Don't have it all super high. Like 8 is good, 7 or 8 is good, okay? We got to put some oil in it. Okay, guys, so what you want to do is coat the pan with oil. Do not get crazy with the oil. You're not frying for real frying. Just a little bit. Make sure all of the whole skillet got oil because you don't want it to start burning, okay? And then you just put your rice and your onions in first. Once the oil starts sizzling, go ahead and add your stuff. I'm one of them people, guys, that like my rice to be brown. I do not like the yellow rice. But again, you do what works for you. It's still going to be good, okay? And guys, make sure you're trying it. See what it tastes like. Take a little piece out before you serve it. Try it, see what it tastes like, okay? And guys, as you're cooking it, make sure you put it lower. Don't have it too high. Okay, put it on like medium heat, because remember, everything is done. All you're doing is mixing stuff and making things look pretty. Once I make this look pretty and I'm happy with it, that's when I'll add my salmon or your chicken or your shrimp, whatever you like to add. Or you can eat it like this. If you're not a type of person that like meat, eat it like this. It's still good. So again, we got our zucchinis, our carrots, our onions, our eggs, and you add as much as you like. And guys, the reason why I'm making my salmon fried rice, I used to always go to just two places to get my salmon fried rice. And when I say, guys, it used to be so good, but lately the quality has been horrible. And salmon fried rice is expensive. I be paying like $40-something for me and my husband. So sometimes when you go somewhere and it just don't taste good, make your own stuff. Okay, y'all, so I feel that I am ready to add my salmon. And I'm just going to add a little bit first. I'm not going to add all that salmon that y'all saying. I'm going to add a little bit first, see what I like, and just keep on adding as you go. And you see how I got that nice brown color? That's from the soy sauce. But like I said, I did not use a lot. It don't take a lot. And this is the brand I use, but you can use any brand. And like I told you guys, I went ahead and warmed up the salmon. I'm going to add the salmon to the rice. And I say maybe 15 minutes total, mixing everything together. But like I said, you do what works for you. But make sure those everything is cooked good. That's all. That's why we pre-cook everything, so we don't got to worry about something being hard or nasty. Now we're gonna add this salmon, and I like to just kind of just open it wide, just like this. And I'm gonna add the salmon right in the middle. And like I told you guys, if you make this, you can make this with real salmon. Don't feel like doing the real salmon. Don't even have time because I gotta go actually get my pup from daycare. But yeah, I'm telling you, this canned stuff tastes just as good if you cook it right. Okay, y'all. Yeah, that's how it's looking. And like I said, if you like the chicken, you add your chicken. I'm gonna let it kind of simmer and chill for a little bit. I did not add all the salmon to it, like I said. I'm gonna let it sit and chill. And guys, when I say it smells so good, oh my God, it smells so good. Try it. Here you go. Okay, guys, it is done. I am about to put my aluminum foil on top of it. Let it kind of chill for a little bit, and then I'll eat it. Hopefully that helped you guys. If that did help you, please make sure you guys subscribe and follow. I have a lot of different how-to videos. Just wanted to also show you guys, try this yum yum sauce on it. It tastes so good. We have tried so many different brands, trying to get as close as the Japanese kind, and have not found them, but this one is pretty cool. One day I'm gonna make my own, so stay tuned to our homemade yum yum sauce. Okay guys, subscribe for more. Bye. A while, because I told you guys I spent about $45 on salmon fried rice for me and my husband. Look how much I made. Like, you can't really tell, but when I said it's a whole bunch of salmon for him and me both, and it was less than 40. So again, sometimes guys, make your own food. Make your own food if you want to, because don't get me wrong, y'all know I eat out, but sometimes when it's not done right, do it yourself. Okay guys, so I wanted to try it with you. We'll go ahead and add some yum yum sauce to it, just a little bit. I'm telling you, this yum yum sauce makes it taste so much better. Here it is. Let's try it. So good. I'm telling you, make things on your own. You not only save money, but you're happy with it too. Very good. If you try this, let me know. Okay? Bye, guys.